First, mash 4 boiled potatoes. Now, filling. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add curry leaves. Add chili ginger garlic paste. Now mix it. Add 3 medium-sized chopped onions. Add salt to taste. Now mix it. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric. Add 1 tablespoon coriander cumin powder. Add 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half teaspoon asafoetida, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Now mix it. Add 1 cup green peas. Add 1 cup chopped green capsicum. Now mix it. Add 1 cup chopped cauliflower and mix it. Add 1 cup chopped carrots and mix it. Add mashed potatoes and mix it. Add some coriander leaves and mix it. Now samosas shell dough. Take 2 cup maida. Add salt to taste. Add crushed ajwain, carom seeds. Add some oil and mix till it starts to clump together. Now add some water and mix till it becomes non-sticky. Now samosas shell. Now take small section of dough and flatten it like chapati. Now cut from middle and form a cone with one half. Now fill the cone with the filling that we made earlier. Apply some water and stick the open sides together. Shape all samosas similarly. Deep fry the samosas in low to medium flame till they are golden brown in color. Your tasty delicious samosas are ready to be served.